people, what's up? It's your favorite girl, Sassy Jane, and I hope that you guys are well, happy, and safe at home with your family during this coronavirus time. Anyways, I was super bored, quarantined at home, so I decided to try this chocolate chip cookie recipe from Tasty. There are many reasons why I said try. First of all, I do not have bread flour, and I don't have dark brown sugar, and I don't have espresso powder. Wish me luck. Oh, okay. So in a bowl, you're going to sift 1 cup and 3/4 of a cup of flour. I was supposed to add 1 cup of normal flour and then 3/4 of a cup of bread flour, but I just used normal flour. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of salt, beautiful salt. Very well. Now you're going to brown 1 cup of butter. See, make sure it's golden and brown and beautiful, just like this. The color should be darker though, guys, but anyways, yup. In another bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of dark brown sugar. As you can see, mine is lighter, so yeah, don't follow my example. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of espresso powder, but I just use coffee powder because I do not have espresso powder. Pour in the butter that we browned earlier. Guys, you were supposed to let it rest before adding it to this mixture, so yeah, make sure you let it cool off. And now you're gonna mix. Yes. Then you're gonna add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. Now you're gonna slowly add the dry ingredients that we prepared earlier. So guys, I was a little concerned because my batter is not as thick as it was supposed to be. Very liquidy, not supposed to be like that. So I thought that adding chocolate chips would make me feel better, so that's what I did. I added 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chip cookies when I was supposed to add 1/2 a cup of chocolate chip cookies and then 5 oz of chopped dark chocolate, but I did not have that, so I added 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chips, just chocolate chips, sorry. Now you're gonna make sure you grease your pan before adding your little balls of cookie dough. So make sure that your balls aren't too close to each other and aren't too big, because that's the mistake I made, and you're going to see the results later on. Yum yum yum! Can't wait. So you're going to bake your cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. So put your cookies in the oven. Yum. So before showing you the final results, this is what my cookies were supposed to look like, and that's what they look like. So there are many reasons why I failed. First of all, I did not use the bread flour. I did not use dark brown sugar, and I did not brown my butter enough. So yeah, these are kind of the factors that played a role in the way my cookies look like. Also, I did not use espresso powder, so my cookies will probably taste different because of that. And I did not chop 5 oz of dark chocolate, so my cookies don't look the way they were supposed to look. They were supposed to be like bits of chocolate sticking out and just beautiful but anyways, it's okay because my cookies still tasted good. And anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me fail, but it doesn't matter because it tasted good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.